for the Upper Rio Grande Valley by Anthony the Poet. Balling out to and for the Upper Rio Grande Valley. Straight facts, no space for folly. Nestled between the Blue and Janko Mountains, politically known as Fellowship Division. Valley symbolizes safety and unity, while division encourages separation. Reminiscing on the bumpy rides from Millbank to Port Antonio on Woodstick truck. Can't forget the bellowing horns of the Nkapa as well as the Tata bus. Packed with people till it buck. Cornwall Barracks and Moortown people will tell about Sammy truck. If it not run, all business spoil, them stuck. Can't forget the action team. Back then, prosperity was the dream. The leader was a proud son of the valley soil. Without a doubt, him did know how to toil. The focus was on teaching our people how to catch fish and not just whetting them appetite with a taste out of the dish. A pen packed with pigs through sponsorship and teamwork was produced. To our young men, cards were given and the farmer program introduced. Years later, somehow we changed the game. Settling for 5 bills, a grand, a drink of rum, a red stripe beer or Heineken, then give the politicians the blame. Knowing that fire is a good servant but a bad master, deciding to destroy returning residents, life and homes, post office, school, church and shop with fiery disaster. We put them need for prosper. Bound a pen, Farmers Association bring back the fun, hope and laughter. By involving and getting sponsorship for trainings and certification, the founder never hesitates to share with flora, fauna, heritage and culture to uplift the nation. Just the lack of job opportunities and education, so in Comfort Castle Infant and Primary School in place a determined man with a vision. For too long, we little girl picking them traveling to high school and fi sit down in a boy picking lap. Me sure you agree this need to stop. Hollering out to my fellow Maroon descendants, we have the power, so make we unite and holler to the ministers for a positive response. We need better roads, job opportunities and public transportation. We no matter if a power or shower. We demanding action from both the ruling party and the opposition.